If you're seeing a Lucidchart PNG export error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your diagram exported properly. This is a super common issue, especially when a document is large, complex, or has browser conflicts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to troubleshoot the export, reduce file complexity, clear browser issues, and use a backup format if PNG still fails. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing to try is duplicating the document. If your diagram has become unresponsive or the export is getting stuck, a fresh copy can sometimes solve the problem right away. Open your Lucidchart document, then go to More and choose Duplicate. Once the new copy is created, open that duplicated file and try exporting the PNG again. This works because duplicating can sometimes remove minor corruption or refresh the document state enough to allow the export to complete successfully. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to reduce the load on the document itself. Very large diagrams, oversized images, and complex layouts can cause PNG export failures. Start by clicking on the gray background or pasteboard area so nothing is selected. Then open the document settings under Canvas and Page and turn off Infinite Canvas if it's enabled. This can help limit unnecessary space and make the export lighter. After that, go to the More menu, hover over Export and select PNG. In the export options, try lowering the quality or choosing a custom area instead of exporting the entire document. If your diagram is huge, even a small adjustment here can make a big difference. The goal is to reduce the amount of dates Lucidchart has to process so the export has a better chance of completing. Now let's move on to browser-related problems, because extensions and cached data are a very common reason exports fail. A great test is to open a Chrome Incognito window or a private browsing window in your browser. Sign in to Lucidchart there and try exporting the PNG again. If the export works in Incognito, that usually means one of your browser extensions, cookies, or cached files is interfering with the export process in your regular window. If that happens, clear your browser cache and cookies next. Open your browser settings, go to the Privacy or Privacy and Security section, and look for clear browsing data. Make sure you select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. For the time range, you can choose last 7 days if the issue is recent or all time if you want a full reset. Then click Clear Data. After that, go back to Lucidchart and try the PNG export again. This step often fixes strange upload and export errors caused by old browser data. If PNG still refuses to work, try a different file format first. In some cases, exporting to PDF or SVG will work even when PNG does not. Once you have the file in one of those formats, you can use a trusted converter to turn it into a high-quality PNG afterward. This is a great workaround when the direct export tool is being unreliable. It also helps you confirm whether the issue is specific to PNG export or to the document itself. So just to recap, if Lucidchart is giving you a PNG export error, try duplicating the document first. Then disable Infinite Canvas and simplify the export settings. Then test in an Incognito window and clear your cache if needed. And finally export as PDF or SVG if PNG still fails. These steps solve most export issues without needing to rebuild your diagram from scratch. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick software tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.